vegan! And we're going on a road trip, guys.
To Palm Springs, we're out in the desert. We're stopped by Cabazon first because the dinosaurs are here and they're really cool. We wanted to check them out.
Yeah, we're underneath of one of them right now. Look at it, it's huge.
I'm just not sure, don't know anymore where this relationship stands.
That was fun, that was cool, but yeah, this is not the destination.
No.
We have some great vegan food to eat, obviously.
I can't wait.
And we're gonna do some more hiking.
Ooh.
Yeah, you'll see some beautiful, one of the most beautiful places I know to hike in California.
Nice, let's do it. Soon we will have delicious sandwiches. Score!
Will you accept me or will you reject me? Flip the coin, fulfill my
Wow.
So cool here. Oh, there's water trickling in the stream. Cool.
Oh, there is.
Not a bad place to have lunch, huh?
Yeah, I think it'll be cool. So here it all is.
What did you order us again? I kind of
I
forgot.
got the BTLA like last time. I got something we never tried before called the Modern Hippie.
Modern Hippie.
Yeah, I actually got us 2 potato salads.
Those are really good.
They're really good. Okay, so this one's the BTLA or whatever. It's massive.
The Modern Hippie?
Yeah, so the Modern Hippie, it's a hippie sandwich because it's like how vegan food originally was.
Yeah,
it's
no
just a
real
bunch
thick
of veggies.
meats. Yeah, a bunch of veggies. Avocado, right?
Smells good, yeah.
Yeah.
Which one are you gonna take a bite of?
I've been munching the BLT a lot here.
Right, here is a close-up of the BLTA.
Maybe I didn't have a bite yet of the Modern Hippie.
I was munching on the Modern Hippie. I like how colorful it is.
Yeah, so it's almost a shame to eat it. It's so pretty.
Eating the rainbow.
Yeah, nice hippie vibe.
Ah. Yum.
Treading the
We were here in October, as you may have seen, but we didn't go to this trail. And I think the palm trees are even prettier here, don't you, babe?
Maybe the rain helped them out.
Yeah, they look glorious. Right, we're at the trailhead.
We timed it perfectly last time, and yeah, today again, another perfect day out here.
I kind of watch where I'm going.
Yeah, be careful, don't get
I gotta watch where I'm going. Don't want to drop the phone. All right, anyways.
That's the hat I wear when I go to Catalina, when we go camping.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Aw. Look at this I spotted growing on the rocks. Pretty. Ooh, the colors. You guys, I can't even believe how green the desert is right now. This is such an epic view. Wow. are in Murray Canyon. It's a pretty rock formation.
Came here specifically because it was described as the secluded canyon. And that's what
Secluded
we're looking for.
beauty.
We're looking for some nature unspoiled by like, the masses.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Feel as if you haven't got a friend in this world, but I'm here. Even if we were the only two left on this star, think of all the things that we could do. We would go far singing songs to the empty universe, sowing seeds through the empty universe, and you never know what might grow. Empty universe.
Angie's animal friend.
Rah, rah. They're not buying it. Bye. Yeah, ravens are known to partner for life.
Even if we were the only two left on this star, think of all the things that we could do. We would go far singing songs to the empty universe, sowing seeds in the empty universe. You never know what might grow.
Oh, while I'm here, I want to thank our viewers who contributed on last Friday's live stream, who gave us donations so we could fund this trip today. All that great food at Chef Tanya's, particularly Giggles. Thank you so much, Giggles, for your super generous donation last week.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed this walk in nature. Tell them again where we're at.
We're at a place called Indian Canyons in Palm Springs. It's owned by the Agua Caliente tribe of Native Americans.
Nice, and this is Murray
Canyon that we just
Trail.
hiked today, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll put links to all that down below for you. Chef Tanya's.
That sounds good.
And here.
All right, awesome.
So hit like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're new to our channel, hit notification bells on the homepage too. There's only one. Hit that to get notified. We have new videos, new content, new live streams and everything. And until next time, guys, remember to stay happy,
healthy, and vegan.